welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. So today I got a surprise, very early birthday friend mail from my beautiful friend Nicolle Davis here on YouTube. It was a total surprise. She did not tell me she was sending this, and I asked her if I should wait to open it, and she said, no, girl. So I did cut it open, and I see that things have different things. So we're just going to open it together, and I'm just going to share with you guys what she sent me. Again, I just want to say first off, Nicolle, thank you so much for doing this and sending me this beautiful things. I know I'm going to love them all without even looking at them, because I'm just always so thankful, as I told you guys before, when people just take time to put a package together, to give me things that they use their own money for, and decided to send me something. I really do appreciate it. I thank you so much for your friendship and for your kindness. You do have such a huge, huge heart, and you're a beautiful person inside and out. I'm so thankful to know you and call you my friend. So thank you so much, Nicolle. I really appreciate it. So let's get into the video. This says happy birthday there. So we're just gonna get them open. I probably should have brought my scissors here. I love how cute she did that. Ooh, it's something from NYX. She taped everything so nicely and securely, which is always great because, you know, let's see. I'm just going to throw the trash on the floor because I'll pick it up. This is from NYX. It's called Off Tropic palette. I have seen these before, and this is in the color Shifting Sand. It's a beautiful, just super bright palette. See if I can take this off without... Oh, it has the... Yeah, let's just rip it open. Why not? Wow, these are so fun. Look at that. These are going to be so awesome for summertime. Let's just watch a couple. I don't want to, you know, give it away. Ooh, they feel nice and buttery. Let's do this really pretty shimmer orange. Wow. And then let's do one more. Let's do this mustardy color. There you go, right there. Wow, that's just one little swipe. Very pigmented, very nice. They are very, very pretty. Let's wipe that off using tissue paper, because you know you can use it. Thank you so much for that. Very pretty. This one says Happy Mother's Day. Sweet of her. I feel like I cannot cut through the packages fast enough. And I hate that I have to cut all the bubble tape she used, but she taped it real. Oh, this is pretty. I never got to try these. This is a Wet n Wild Mega Glow Eyeshadow Trio in Amethyst. Look at how pretty that is. All kinds of pretty purples. I don't know that we would have time to swatch everything, even though I want to for you guys. If you guys remember, these were limited edition, and I never did get my hands on any of them, so this is so nice to have these. We're just going to see how they are. Wet n Wild does have a nice formula for their shadows, and it looks like these are all shimmers, from what I can tell. They feel really nice. Wow, that deeper purple almost comes off like a... Look at that. Look how pretty that is. You see that? Very pretty. Very nice. I don't own any of those, so that's awesome. Okay, next. This says Happy Birthday right there. And she sent me the Becca Hydra Mist setting powder. This looks like a small sized one, or maybe this is the original. Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder right there. Very nice. Look how pretty the packaging is. And it's a decent size. This will be perfect for travel. I think I have it in the full size because I think BoxyCharm might have sent me this some time back. I have yet to use it because I'm trying to finish up other ones. But this is going to be so awesome for traveling, guys. So I'm glad to have that. Then I don't have to carry a big bulky one around. It says happy birthday as well. And I don't have to keep showing you guys because, you know, so sweet. She did not have to. I was going to buy myself this, but I did not, and I'm so glad I didn't. I kept resisting. This is the e.l.f. Glow Beam highlighter palette right there. I kept seeing this at my local TJ Maxx. I had initially bought myself this sometime last year, but I accidentally ordered it in the dark, and I had ended up gifting it to my friend Faye here for her birthday because I'm like, oh, it's pretty. She can use it. And I got the wrong one, but this one is in the light, which is perfect for me. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. If you guys are not familiar with e.l.f.'s quality, they have a really, really nice buttery highlighting products. Really, really nice. The ones that have like the ridges feel a little drier than the ones that don't, but that is just a couple right there. Look how pretty that is. Don't know if you guys can see them. My camera's not really focusing on them, but very pretty. Thank you for this. I definitely was going to pick it up, but I kept resisting, and I'm glad that I did because I got it anyway, so thank you. Okay, moving on. This one says Happy Mother's Day. Very sweet. Okay, this is Hard Candy Sheer Envy Perfecting Primer. Minimizes lines and pores for a smooth finish. This one I have not tried as of yet. You guys, Hard Candy has some really great products. Had I not found them many times at the Dollar Tree, I would never have known how great their products are, because when I go to Walmart, I don't think to get them, you know, but they really do have some really great products, so I'm really excited about that one. I have yet to try. The ones that I always buy myself are like the hydrating ones, so I'm excited to try that. This one says Happy Mother's Day. Ooh, this is a Hard Candy Velvet Mousse Matte Lip Color. Look at this packaging. I have not seen these at all, not even at Walmart. Look at that. So pretty. I'm definitely not throwing that packaging away, but I'm going to try to get this off. Oh man, I'm going to have to cut it. Wow, look at that, all fancy, snazzy. Has a mirror. Sorry about blinding you guys. I did not realize that. And look at that packaging. So pretty. It's in Buttercup. And I'm not going to pull it out right now for the sake of time, but it does look like a really pretty mauve nude color. I love that packaging. I haven't even seen these at Walmart. Okay. And then this one says Happy Mother's Day. I love that she sent me things that I don't have yet or haven't tried, but I did have this, like I said, in the full size, but that is okay because the more better for travel. This is the Mega Glow from Wet n Wild Face Mist. Yes, everybody loves face mist, and this is a perfect travel size friendly one. I never did try this one. It is a limited edition. It doesn't say the scent or anything like that, but I'm really excited to try this because I have yet to try it. When all this line came out, excuse me, I had not picked up any of it. I don't know why. I think I just missed it or whatever, but yeah, so I'm really excited. We do have a vacation coming up in July. Okay, and then there's, get the card. Oh, the card was all the way in there. Sorry, I didn't read the card first. Okay, let's open the card. Oh, she put 2 cards in there. Oh, give me just a minute while I read this. Wow. Thank you so much, Nicole. Thank you for that one as well. And then she put a little note in here, which I will read later. Beautiful, beautiful card. Because you deserve pampering on Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, I saw these too and I wanted to purchase these for myself, but I'm like, you don't need them, but really I do. This is the satin eye mask. Look how pretty this is. Love the colors. Pink is one of my favorite colors, and that teal. So beautiful, beautiful. And then this is an exfoliating black bath glove. I've been wanting to try these because it's supposed to help with, you know, if you just have regular like body wash, you put the soap on this and it has a little bit of like, not grittiness that is going to hurt you or anything, but like gets all that dead skin. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be trying this probably tonight when I get a shower. Now this last thing she put on here, I saw this and I had to get it for you. Happy birthday. Thank you so much, Nicole. This is so sweet of you. Oh, it looks like it's a wax warmer. How pretty. It's the one that you plug into the wall, and then on the top it has, and it says, "Bless this house." Wow, that's so pretty. I love that. So this one, it looks like, yeah, this one is, it plugs into any outlet. So I'll need to put it somewhere the dog won't bump it. Like maybe in my room over here on this side of my table. Wow, that's super pretty. Look at right there. And then you just put the wax melts up here. And this one came with sandalwood. Oh, that smells really nice. Look at that. Little, and you can just use any of them. I get a lot of the wax melts that I buy from the Dollar Tree, and they have some really, really good ones. So I can just plop that right in there, a square. Wow, thank you so much. I love this. I'm definitely going to put it probably right here behind me because my dogs cannot bump it or get to it. So yeah, that is the last thing that she sent me. Again, thank you so much, Nicole. This was so sweet of you, so thoughtful. Definitely you did not need to, but I'm so grateful that you did take time to do this. I really, really appreciate it. And I cannot wait to use all of the products that you sent me as well. Sorry about that. I cannot wait to use all the products you sent me. Thank you so much. So guys, this is going to complete this video. I just thought I would share with you guys these beautiful things that she sent me. I cannot wait to try them. Definitely check Nicole's channel out if you haven't already. If you guys are looking for a channel that is just very genuine, very sweet person, then you would love her channel. She cares about everybody and she tries to spread love to everybody as well. So definitely check her out if you are not familiar with her already. I will have her information linked down below for you guys. She does a lot of great things on her channel, She does makeup looks, hauls, unboxings. She gets Ipsy, her and her daughter, and she also gets BoxyCharm. She also does like paparazzi unboxings and hauls. She does a lot of indie brands, supports a lot of indie brands. So definitely check her out. You will truly enjoy her channel. She is one of the sweetest people I have ever met. Kindest and just non-judgmental people I know. So definitely go over and check her out. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching today. Thank you so very much. If you enjoyed this video, definitely I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you'd like to watch more videos from me. And as I always say, if not, no worries. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It's so appreciated. This is going to complete this video for today, but I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.